Good morning, children. All of you open your activity book, volume 1 activity book, page number 26. See here, up to the layers of the earth we had completed now in the last class. We had completed up to the layers of the earth. See next project. Take a chart paper, write down the address in separate boxes of increasing size starting from me. Me means you must write there your name. On the chart first you must start from your name. Next, my home. Your home is in which state, like that. Next, my village, town or city. You are in which city? For example, if you are in Chintalpudi, Chintalpudi. Okay, like that. Next, my district. Our district is West Godavari, and my state Andhra, my country India, my continent Asia, my planet Earth, and extend the sequence up to the universe. After the planet, our planet is in the solar system. Our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy is in the local group. Local group is in the supercluster. Supercluster is in the universe. Already we learnt all these in the universe lesson. Okay, write in the chart, start from your name to the universe. Okay, you are in which street, and that street in which village or town. Your town is in which district, the district is in which country, and your country is in which continent, your continent is in which planet. Okay, like that. Come to the universe, write on the chart. Come to the next page. Match the following to its capital and currency. Okay, here countries are given. You must match it to the capitals and currency. Okay, Japan, its capital is Tokyo. Japan capital is Tokyo, and its currency is yen. Japan capital is Tokyo, and its currency is yen. Okay, Russia capital is Moscow. Russia capital is Moscow, and its currency is ruble. Okay, Japan capital is Tokyo, and its currency is yen. Russia capital is Moscow, and its currency is ruble. And Thailand capital is Bangkok. Thailand capital is Bangkok, and its currency is baht. Okay, Thailand capital is Bangkok, and its capital is baht. Next, Germany. Germany capital is Berlin. Germany capital is Berlin, and its currency is euro. Germany capital is Berlin, and its currency is euro. Nigeria capital is Abuja, and its currency is naira. United Kingdom capital is London, and its currency is pounds. Japan capital is Tokyo, and its currency is yen. Russia capital is Moscow, and its currency is ruble. Thailand capital is Bangkok, and its currency is baht. Germany capital is Berlin, and its currency is euro. Okay, Nigeria capital is Abuja, currency is naira. United Kingdom capital is London, and its currency is pounds. Come to here. Match each country to its language. Okay, here languages are given in the center, and this side and that side there are countries. We must match these language to its countries. See the first language, Chinese. Chinese was spoken in, it is the major language for China and Singapore. Chinese is spoken in China and Singapore, and English is in Australia and USA, United States of America. Okay, English is in Australia and USA. Next, Arabic is in Egypt, Saudi Arabia. Arabic is in Saudi Arabia and Egypt. Next language, Spanish is in Argentina and Spain. Spanish was spoken in Argentina and Spain. Portuguese is in Portugal and Brazil. Okay, and Korean was spoken in South Korea and North Korea. Chinese is in China and Singapore. English is in USA and Australia. Arabic is in Saudi Arabia and Egypt. Spanish was spoken in Argentina and Spain. Portuguese was spoken in Portugal and Brazil. Okay. Next, Korean was spoken in South Korea and North Korea. Chinese, China and Singapore. English, Australia and USA. Next one, Arabic is in Saudi Arabia and Egypt. Spanish, Spain and Argentina. Portuguese, Portugal and Brazil. Korean, South Korean and North Korean. On the next page, see here, continents and oceans are given. Color the continents in different colors and label them, and label the oceans also. Here oceans are given and continents also given. We must color the continents and oceans also. See, first we can color the continents. First I was coloring our continent Asia. Okay, color it with the, I was coloring it with the red color. Okay, this all comes under our Asia only. Okay, right here first Asia. This is our continent Asia. Okay, to the Asia in the west there is Europe. Okay, Europe. To the south Africa, in the South Africa, and in the southeast Australia. Asia to the Asia in the west Europe, and to the Europe in the South Africa. Okay, in the south to the Asia in the southeast Australia. Okay, next here it is North America. This is North America, and in the south South America. Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa. Europe, Africa. Okay, continents were completed. Now come to the oceans. Pacific Ocean. Okay, Pacific Ocean. It separates Asia and Australia from North America and South America. This side also Pacific Ocean only. Okay, and Atlantic Ocean. It separates North America and South America from Europe and Africa. Okay, this is here it is Atlantic Ocean. Okay, it separates Asia and Africa. Here it is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean separates Asia and Africa. Here it is Arctic Ocean. Okay, Asia, this is our continent. To the Asia in the west, Europe, and to the Europe in the south, Africa. Okay, to the Asia in the southeast, it is Australia, continent Australia, and this side if you come, here it is North America, down of that it is South America. Pacific Ocean, it is here, this side and that side also we can write Pacific Ocean. Why? Because North America and South America, these two continents, where Pacific Ocean separates North America and South America from the Asia and Australia. Okay, color each of the continent with any color. Okay, color these continents and prepare your own mind map and explain the lesson. Okay, by all you know how to write the mind map by seeing the textbook. You can write the mind map. Put the heading. In this we have seen the what we have seen: continents, countries, oceans, okay, states, union territories. What you learnt in this lesson, you can show it as a mind map. Okay, enough for today. Thank you.